sorry for the wait. Look at that. An apple risotto.
What's cooking, YouTube? Today we're going to remake apple risotto from one of my favorite anime shows, Shokugeki no Soma Food Wars. Welcome to Food War February. Now, the ingredients in this episode are relatively simple. All you need is 2 slices of thick cut bacon. You need 1 cup of arborio rice. You need a lemon, 1 apple. You can do any kind of apple, Pink Lady, any kind of Red Delicious, any type of apple that has some sweetness to it. We have a cup of apple juice, 2 cups of vegetable stock, onion, we have fresh parsley off to the side, and the last thing is butter. So what we're going to start with first is dicing the onion. Make sure you do nice fine dices with the onion. Next step is to make our lemon into wedges. Now it's time to peel the apple. See if I can peel it all the way in one go. We're going to make nice slices to this apple. The apple is nicely diced, so what I'm going to do is actually put it right into the apple juice so it doesn't brown. Then we're going to do a squeeze of lemon juice into the apple juice for some more citrus flavor and preventing it from browning. The last step of prep that we're going to do is chop up some fresh Italian parsley. Alright, we're on to the cooking stage now, so we're going to heat our pan up and start to cook those slices of thick cut bacon. So we're going to turn our pan on, turn the heat on, and you want to do it low and slow. You want to be able to render all that fat out of the bacon so it doesn't get chewy. While the bacon's cooking, we can start on our risotto. Alright, we're going to go ahead and start on the risotto, so we're going to heat up our pan. We're going to start with low to medium heat. We're going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of butter to the pan. Alright, butter's melted, so time to go ahead and add the onions. We're going to saute these up until they're nice and translucent. Now that the onions are translucent, we're going to go ahead and add our 1 cup of arborio rice. Make sure you stir that up until all the butter is absorbed into the rice and onion. Then we're going to keep adding our stock, our vegetable stock, into the rice. I went ahead and heated this ahead of time already, so that it takes less time for cooking. Once the liquid is absorbed after the first time I poured it in, then we'll add some more stock to it. We're going to go ahead and flip our bacon. Now that the liquid is almost incorporated into the rice, we're going to add some more stock to it. I got 2 cups of stock. The ratio for risotto is 3 to 1, so you're just going to add a half a cup of stock every time. As you see, liquid is almost absorbed into the rice again. We're going to add another half a cup of vegetable stock. Now it's time to add the last half a cup of vegetable stock to the risotto. While I was stirring the risotto, I was flipping the bacon back and forth until it was done. Looks like our bacon is done. Time to take it out of the pan. Okay, looks like the risotto absorbed 2 cups of that vegetable stock, so we're going to finish that off with our 1 cup of apple juice and diced apples. Now that the apples and apple juice are in the risotto, we're going to season it with salt. We're looking for a nice sweet, savory risotto dish. Alright, so all the liquid is almost absorbed into the risotto right here. So what we're going to do next is finish it with a tablespoon of butter and lemon juice. Here's our butter that we're going to add into it. Because we want to have that nice, rich, creamy risotto. But to lighten it up just a touch, we're going to add a squeeze of lemon juice at the end. And there you have it, YouTube. Soma's apple risotto from Shokugeki no Soma, Season 1, Episode 16. Let's go ahead and give this a try. This is actually good. It has that nice, rich creaminess from the butter when you finish it, and then that citrus from the lemon juice just really brings it up very, very well. The diced apples are still slightly crunchy, not overcooked, so overall it's a good dish. Now, let's go ahead, because in that episode, Soma told the judges to try black pepper on it to enhance the flavor. So let's see if that changes anything. Alright. Yo, this is really good. Wow, that pepper does enhance a lot of different flavors to it. It provides that smoky flavor and just makes it more rich, but yet super light still with that lemon. Somehow with the pepper, the lemon is enhancing it to make it just really, really more flavorful. So you guys definitely have to try this dish out. This is really, really good. Wow, really good. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss any more episodes coming up in the near future. Also, leave a comment in the description below to let me know what other Shokugeki food that you want to see from me. I'm willing to be able to try any kind of dish out there. If you want to have this recipe and follow it, I'm going to have the link in the description below to make sure that you guys can follow the recipe and make sure you have all the ingredients for this dish. I'm Chef Salty. Until next time, I'll see you all later.